So I started doing maths today. First I opened the Nextopper app and went to the Aram batch. I have already watched the lecture of arithmetic progression before, but today I'm just revising them, so I'm following the lecture notes given in the batch. Not making any separate notes this time, just solving the questions from there to revise everything properly. I started with the lecture number 2, then moved to 3 and then 4. That's how I'm doing it right now, just solving the questions which are given in the notes. So right now I've watched 4 lectures of AP and I'm just solving the questions from those 4 lectures. I have already seen them before, but this time I'm revising everything properly from the notes. I have not watched the rest of the lectures yet. I think there are around 9 in total. So yeah, I have done 4 till now and I will continue the rest later, maybe in the coming days. So yeah. So as you all know that pre-boards are coming really soon. So my pre-boards are starting next month on 8th December, and honestly it's getting a bit hectic right now because I still have a few chapters and lectures left, especially in maths. There are so many lectures I still have to watch in a Rum batch, so I'm just trying to revise everything properly before pre-board start. Also, some of you already know that I had purchased a Abhay batch in 9th grade and it actually helped me a lot, so I'm thinking to take it again this year too for class 10th because the result and the content have been really good. Like even last year it helped so many students. So yeah, that's what I'm planning right now. Also, I have watched some YouTube lectures before, but honestly sometimes I don't understand everything from there, especially when the whole chapter is taught in a one shot. It gets a bit hard to follow at times for me. That's why I feel this batch actually helps me more because everything is explained step by step and it just makes things clearer for me. So yeah, that's why I'm continuing with it. By the way, how's your study going? Like, how are you guys preparing for your pre-boards? Let me know in the comments. I would really like to know how's everyone managing their time these days. Also, I'm uploading this video after quite a long time, and yeah, in our school, our annual sports meet is going on these days, and so the atmosphere is actually quite fun. We are not studying that much in school right now. So yeah, today is Sunday and I'm just doing maths. सो मैंने AP के इतने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करे थे सुबह भी नहीं, मतलब 9-10 बज रहे थे तब हो गया था मेरा. सो मैंने आराम से करा एंड ये क्वेश्चंस मैंने पहले भी करे थे, सो आराम से हो गए थे.
You're all familiar with Mulberry's biscuits.